This week, under the Nivesh India initiative, ET now travels to the wonderful city of Kochi and talks to investors, both current and potential, about the art of investing. Well, speaking about investing in God's own country.
Equity is such a dynamic subject. Nothing is static. There is no principle stand forever. There is no hard and fast rules for investing in equities. People say, okay, some people feel, okay, I invest in blue chips. Some others say, I invest in mid caps and small caps. Some people are specializing in illiquid stocks. Some are liking only very largely traded companies. Some people love to buy FIA stocks. Some people like to follow maybe Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. So there are different styles. There can be hundreds of styles of investing. But I'm telling you, if you are a learner, continuous learner, and keeping your eyes and ears open, using the knowledge, the conviction, I always use a terminology, KCP. The most important ingredients for equity investing is KCP, the knowledge, conviction, and patience. The patience is the most important aspect when it comes to making big money. We are so lucky to be in India when it comes to the potential of equity investing. From that perspective, I am telling you, there is no other country in the world which offer you opportunities to invest and create wealth. I am very, very sure about that. The basic reason, India, I feel, it's like there are structural changes happening. The architecture of Indian economy is changing. Going forward, India has a huge potential as an economy, as a stock market, to create wealth for investors who have that basic knowledge, conviction, and patience.
NSE's end mission is to empower the people and to ensure that there is a financial well-being for everyone. In this context, we have launched the NSE Life program, that is Learning Initiative for the Financial Empowerment. What is that is? It is not only the traders or it is not only the professionals who will look into this particular platform. We have also had a lot of arrangements with schools and colleges where we have tied up with a lot of schools and colleges where from the school itself, the students will try to learn as to what is the financial market is all about and how can they save in the future. With respect to the college students, they have two options. Yes, they can also choose finance as a career. At the same time, how can they make a prospective investment in the future? There is a platform which is available, which we usually tell to the investors, in case if you wanted to start investing in a very small amount, then ETF is the best way to do that. With this Nifty ETF, with one share of Nifty ETF, the Nifty ETF will be investing in all the 50 shares of the Nifty sectors. And second thing, Nifty ETF, the main advantage over here is, it doesn't try to outperform the market. It doesn't try to beat the market. It tries to be with the market. Always think, understand, and invest.
Most of the time, retail investors are driven by herd instinct. They jump onto the bull bandwagon when the market is at its peak and the valuations are very high. And when the market corrects, as it inevitably does, they panic and flee from the market. And therefore, it is very important that you have to remain invested. And that's why we often say that more important than timing the market is the time you spend in the market. Let me introduce to you a very simple principle. I call this principle the early principle. Early is an acronym. ERLI. E stands for early. R stands for regularly. L means long term. And I means intelligently. The essence of the early principle is this. You have to start investing early in life. You have to invest regularly through the ups and downs of the market so that you get the advantages of rupee cost averaging. You have to invest for the long term, and you have to invest in good assets. You have to invest intelligently in asset classes that gives you superior returns. This is, in simple, the early principle of investment, which I believe is a sound principle for a very good investment strategy.
Find Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/etnow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at etnowlive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/etnow.